Hey guys, it's Coach Carrie, and last week I showed you how you can actually take your fresh strawberries that you're getting at the farmers markets or at the strawberry farms and how to preserve them and make them last longer for you, because they are definitely more expensive this year. I don't know if you've noticed that or not, but these strawberries here are actually 8 days old and they are still absolutely perfect. I just made sure that I put them through a vinegar wash for about 15 minutes. I let them sit in the sink, and I do like a 1 part vinegar, white vinegar, to 4 parts water. Let them sit for about 15 minutes, rinse them off, put them on a towel, let that dry off, and then I store them in the mason jars. So I've had several of these mason jars in my refrigerator, and a few days ago I was talking to some friends of mine and we were talking about different foods that we actually craved when we were pregnant. Well, my biggest craving when I was pregnant was actually the Sonic strawberry cheesecake milkshake. Now, it has been many years since I have done that, but it started getting me to think, could I make that again? So yeah, I can. So I'm going to show you a much healthier way, a lot healthier way than Sonic ever made, and it's going to be really delicious too. Now, I'm not going to make these into a milkshake because I want to savor these and let them last for a long time. So we are going to be doing strawberry cheesecake popsicles instead. And I like to use this little silicone form here because the popsicles will come out of it really quickly. It's kind of like the silicone muffin pans or anything else, like nothing sticks to it. So this is always a good thing to have in your refrigerator. So let's get started. This one's going to be super simple. You'll love it and your kids are going to love it too. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is add some cream cheese. Now this cream cheese is actually soft, okay? So we want everything to be really creamy once we put it into the food processor. And then I'm going to use 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And this is organic heavy whipping cream, so I don't have to worry about the added ingredients to that. And then we're gonna add our sweetener to it. And I'm gonna be using xylitol. Now, I have got regular xylitol, but I want this to be powdered so that when you go to bite into your popsicle, it's not gonna be gritty or anything. So what I like to do is actually put it in a coffee grinder. And so I've got 1/3 cup of the xylitol in here, and I'm just gonna pulse it a few times. And then that's gonna give me the powdered xylitol. So super quick on that one. And I'm just going to add that to my mixture here. I have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice that I'm going to put in there. And we're going to blend this up with my food processor, or if you have a blender, you can do that also. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fresh strawberries out, and I'm just going to cut up about 2 cups worth of my strawberries here. All right, now that we have all of our strawberries in here, we're just going to process that really well. All right, I'm gonna open it up here. Let's see what we've got. Oh yeah, nice and creamy. See that? Okay, so now all I have to do, I am literally finished. All I have to do now is put it in my popsicle molds and let it freeze for about 4 hours, and then I'll show you how it turns out. Guys, these turned out really good. So quick, simple, cool treats, and you get to use up all those extra strawberries you got in the refrigerator. So until next time, make good choices.